In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up SuiteDash for financial management, giving you all the tools you need to streamline your finances and keep track of everything from invoicing to budgeting in one place. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to set up SuiteDash for your financial management needs, and I'll also share a few alternatives that might better suit your goals, especially when it comes to optimizing your workflow and finances. Let's dive into the first thing you'll need to do after logging into SuiteDash, setting up your dashboard. This is where everything comes together. You'll want to organize the dashboard to track your financial data, invoices, and payments. You can customize the layout to prioritize the most important sections, which will save you time in the long run. Next thing is integrating your payment gateways. This step is crucial for automating invoicing and payments, making financial management much easier. SuiteDash supports PayPal, Stripe, and Authorize.net, which means you can easily accept payments from clients directly within the platform. You'll need to connect your payment processor, and SuiteDash will automatically generate invoices for you, allowing you to focus on growing your business. The third thing is managing your clients and projects. SuiteDash makes it easy to create and manage client profiles, track invoices, and oversee project progress. You can assign tasks, set deadlines, and keep an eye on financial goals tied to each project. This integration ensures you're not scrambling to find client-related information, as everything is right there in one centralized platform. Now, the fourth thing is automating your invoicing and reminders. SuiteDash offers a great feature where you can set up recurring invoices, automate payment reminders, and even apply late fees. This is a game changer because it reduces the amount of manual follow-up you have to do. By setting up these automations, your clients are more likely to pay on time, and you can focus on other important financial tasks. Next up, let's talk about financial reporting. SuiteDash has built-in reporting features that allow you to generate profit and loss reports, track expenses, and analyze your financial health. With SuiteDash, you can get a clearer picture of where your money is going and make smarter decisions to improve your financial situation. You can export the reports to various formats to share with stakeholders, or use them to improve your budgeting. Now, the sixth thing I want to mention is security. SuiteDash has solid security features, including encryption, two-factor authentication, and customizable user access. This ensures that sensitive financial data is protected from unauthorized access. It's a huge plus for businesses that handle personal or financial client information. But here's the thing, while SuiteDash has a lot of powerful features, it's not the only option out there. SuiteDash is great for automating financial tasks, but some users find it a little complicated when it comes to managing larger, more complex financial operations. If you're looking for something with a more user-friendly interface, or something that specializes in deeper financial reporting, you might want to consider alternatives. And that's exactly what I want to share with you today. Stick around because I'll be telling you about some of the best alternatives, and I've got an exclusive offer that you won't want to miss. So, before we wrap up, remember that SuiteDash can help set you up for success, but it might not be the best fit for everyone. If you're focused on more detailed financial management or a different set of features, be sure to check out the alternatives I recommend in the description below. And if you decide to give SuiteDash a try, make sure you use our exclusive link to get an extended free trial along with other exclusive benefits just for our viewers. But don't go anywhere because I'll show you some amazing alternatives that could be the perfect solution for your financial management needs. And that's it. You're now ready to start using SuiteDash for financial management, but make sure to consider your options. Thanks for watching.